a kid, but I've got a lot of things on my plate. Life is driving me insane and I'm so desperate. I can do anything just to numb the pain. Everything I try to do goes sideways. My mind is all over the place. I find it hard to think straight. Wait, borrow me a pen cause you wanna know my pain. Life is like a crazy movie, man, it's been insane. Friends say I'm hard to find. Well, I've been hiding in my grandma's house, the one that is made out of mud. Yeah, some of my neighbors laugh and they gossip about it. Sometimes I can't imagine the pain my grandma be hiding inside. I try to be a Trevor Noah in the house. I wanna see a smile. If I get money, I will build you a house, so you can start hauling and shovel mud in the cold water. Instead of getting weak, you only got smarter and stronger. Daddy left after mama died, and he never came back to see his son. I was 6 and clueless by that time, so don't ask me about no man I never knew. My mother's father is the daddy I know. When he died in 2016, it was hard to let go. He ain't treat me like a son, I was more like a bro. Only his funeral made our family convoke. My oldest brother didn't have a phone. When he had the news, he was blown and came home. For 9 years, no one was able to fill the void, until I was friends with the microphone. Only them studio sessions are able to hear my soul. I've been on my own, despite it I'm carrying